jalo moso wa ga wa Labotlhano ka go lekola jalo seemo sa bosa jaaka na re sena ba jalo ke ba tepolo api gone mo Gaborone Francistown and Maungu mo peko it's 10 degrees Celsius metro pokgolo Gaborone is 2 degrees Celsius metar mo thatogonyo ya letsatsi bo sola jalo 28 ke 18 degrees Celsius mo Gaborone ga mo go le Francistown me Maungu ene o tabale mo go 22 degrees Celsius ba ga so the work week is done and the weekend is officially here me o ka isimala jalo ka thulanyo Dumela Botswana moso one wa Labotlhano jaaka o tsinerele na lwena go simala jalo ka mosupologo la bedi la bararo la bone me re garla jalo ka ona mosong peko la Labotlhano jaaka go dia sete bosigo thola jalo malatsi a le 10 le borataro ke re thank you so much for tuning in hanes ka wena hanes ka tebelo ga wa itse na le salami tota kana re so ka ona me texas ba ka se tota ke go amogela be go dumensa ka kwano thulaganyo ke yone ya Dumela Botswana a maina bela jalo go Bernard Benbi wa ga mai so ke re thulaganyo e me ka tseleng jana e tare ka me so le methano twana ka borataro be se majalo ka go isila melo thola jalo gore ha di ba jalo ka di back stretches me dirisa yoga re bua ka ga meta mara ga mo karabo miskebo sena ba la ha ba jalo khantsa metshameko jaaka o tsore the FA Cup is here the FA Cup finally to pass our joining Galaxy ba samka jalo security systems meta mara ga mo go thola jalo semo sa go sa parkon se tsa makatsele pele ga go tsena mo ditseleng mme pusana ya rona ya nthaite beta ka tsala ya me meta ke na ta go bona gore go tshwaretseng sa go peko se ba se ke mamogele e be ke mo ditse ke jalo ka ene nkanyezi hello
Hi Ben, how are you?
I'm fine.
Your favorite day?
Girl, my favorite day.
The Friday lover.
The Friday lover. How was your week? How is your morning?
My week was actually quite interesting. I think we had a lot of interesting conversations
we did.
On the show.
Yeah, we did.
Today I'm just feeling good about it.
To come and wrap it up for
I
us.
will wrap it up because I the breakfast show. It is a Friday morning. It is Entertainment Friday. We're talking about culture, everything that's happening in the world of creatives, everything that's happening in the world of entertainment. And today is very, very, very interesting.
Yeah, of course it is.
I know you wanna go here, so I'm gonna throw it into your face.
Girl, please.
We will have a representative of the 2025 Kawa Dune Challenge and Cultural Festival coming here to let us know. In about 2 weeks, let's get ready. Let's get those bags packed, repacking.
Do not forget
it is the Dune Challenge that happens annually, and a lot of people are very excited for this one. So we can find out more about what to expect, whether it's your first time going there, whether you're returning there. So all those conversations will be happening in the first hour. I'm very excited for that one.
You dress for the winter.
You know, our normal weathers that we're expecting this winter.
It is Father's Day on Sunday.
Ooh.
What are you doing for Mr. Tapa?
Oh my goodness.
Anything special?
No, because I'm not around, unfortunately.
Palape is just 3 hours away, so stop being funny. Go to Palape and do something for your daddy. Because I know you are a daddy's girl.
Yes,
I know that
I will call my dad. We've been doing a lot of things together. So
I love that.
He knows I love him very, very much. I talk to him a lot of times.
Okay, like you did
every
2 days
other day.
ago. I know, right? Yeah.
So I'll just call him, wish him a happy Father's Day. Maybe send a little something that side, but I'll be seeing him very soon.
And speaking of Father's Day, Chopper Superstore as usual. They did on Mother's Day, but Balahano Barbara or Muso Sente Musahum Pico about Father's Day, but about hashtag celebrate your father as well as your father figure. There are a lot of people who don't have fathers in their lives, but they have people that are looking up to as their father figures.
You know, your uncles,
even other step parents, stepfathers also doing a fantastic job. So Father's Day doesn't necessarily mean your blood father. It also means somebody who is still. Thank you very much.
Like
of course, yeah.
It's so nice to celebrate fathers. I feel like
especially as the girl child.
We never really celebrate so it's very nice to see that if it also inspires future generations.
It does.
Be the father that you want to see. Be inspired by your father or all the father figures out there. So to all the fathers out there, happy Father's Day this Sunday. We will be celebrating you.
Of course, first things first. Back stretches. Yoga is good for you. It's good for me. It's good for all of us. This is Yoga Dumela Botswana. Good morning.
I'm Dimpo, this is setshaba. We are just gonna do a bit of back stretches for those who have back pains. So we are gonna start first. This is what we call mountain pose. So when we take the hands up, it's called extended mountain pose. So you're gonna take a deep breath in, make sure the shoulders are away from the ears, and then fold forward. You're breathing out. So you're gonna come back here to halfway lifting, the back is straight, take a deep breath in, and then you're gonna release that breath. When you plant the hands down, take the legs back to what we call downward facing dog. So you're gonna be here, not too long, not too short, to catch your breath. So you're gonna take a deep breath in, make sure the shoulders are aligned with the ears. Take a deep breath in and release, bring the knees down. Beautiful. We are gonna do, you can tuck in the toes like what I'm doing, or you can release them. So we're gonna do what we call cat-cow. We are starting first with cow. So you're curving the back. It's a deep breath in and release to what we call cat. You're hunching the back. So you're gonna do a few movements of these. Let's go back to cow. You're breathing in. You can exaggerate the movement as much as you can and release out. This is really good for the back. Even in prenatal yoga, they advise for it. Let's go again. Deep breath in. If you're pregnant, this is the best pose to do. And release. Beautiful. Let's go back to downward facing dog. Tuck in the toes. Lift the hips up to the ceiling, to the sky. Wherever you are, take a deep breath in and release. Coming back to all four. We are gonna go low. Beautiful. Let's come to what we call cobra. The hands are beside the chest, lifting the chest up and gently release. Now let's release the hands to what we call Sphinx pose. So let's lift up, a deep breath in. We're gonna be here not too long, not too short. So here you are targeting the lower back, not the lower back, the mid back, sorry. You are targeting the mid back. So let's lift the shoulders up so that you can feel that stretch. Make sure the legs are as close to each other as possible. Don't put them together, but make sure they're close. You can close your eyes, you can open them if the space allows it to, and lift the shoulders up. Keep lifting up, don't pull your back, and gently release. Bring the hands back to all four, back to downward facing dog, hips to the ceiling or the sky for an open space like this, and gently release to all four. Now let's take the upper body up to what we call camel. Camel, you can have the hands beside the waist like setshaba, or if your back is flexible, you can bring the hands back and then go for it. Make sure you are pushing your torso away from your body. Take a deep breath in. The neck is not stiff. You can shake it, yes. You can shake it, no. Take a deep breath in and gently release. Coming up, let's come to sitting. As we are done with our back straight, there's a few more poses, but we don't have time. Thank you so much for joining me. Namaste.
letsatsi la Labotlhano mothetso ta ke sebaka se ke go dibedisa be go amogela ke budia karabo Miss Ke Bosena ga reng ga tseleng gore tadi o komela mo go tsa metshameko mo mosong wa tsela gompe go re ta komela jalo tse letseng di diragala ka go Norway ya ka nne go tshware jalo Diamond League ga reng ga tse dingwe re ta tsamaya re komela jalo metshameko ne ele ya rugby ya ka tswela pele over the weekend re go komela jalo tennis under 14 gore how ready are we as Botdswana as the tournament is kickstarting tomorrow me re ta tsamaya gape re go komela jalo tiriso ya VAR we're going to see VAR for the first time in the Orange FA Cup finals. Guess what? It's not gonna happen. The playoffs ya ka stapa calendar stars batabo ba ya jalo ka go jwaneng go etela stapa sa jwaneng yang stars re komele metshameko ele ya Kosafa as well as the Club World Cup e leng gore e simolla jalo ka tsatsi la Sontaga ga re go robala a re simolle ka ditiragalo tse le tsene diragala mo tsela maabane ka go Norway go leng gore mo tabogi wa mono ga ke ba jalo gorogile hangwira ana tsa karolo jalo mo 800 meters ele yone Diamond League o ka tsela gore re bone yalo lebelo leo le fengwa jalo ke Emmanuel Wanyonyi wala hatsela Kenya a taboga nako ya 142.78 me Mohammed wala hatsela Spain a tsamaya mabobedi a taboga 142.90 me re bone jalo Jamal o tswanga kwa Algeria a taboga 1.43.06 me Gabriel from France at taboga 1.4309 o ka bona lo ke tlhobogile hangwira mo maemong a bothano ko aletseng a tabogile jalo his personal best. The other position there is supposed to be time, excuse us for that, 1.43.58 ile nako ile go roletsa tabogile jalo ene ke tlhobogile hangwira ya ka nne a tsa jalo maemo a bothano a dira jalo his personal best re ntse le mo go tsone diragala go neka ko Norway ne re bona jalo Kirsten Worthlom wa la hasela Norway a letse a taboga jalo 300 meter hurdles a ira jalo the world record mo nakong ya 32.67. It was literally a wrap up of the Diamond League Muslim. Imagine last race of the event umogaye and then you smash the world record. It was insane in short.
It was insane. I didn't watch it, but I also got to see the clips. The crowd went really crazy, so it was insane. And I wish for a day like this where you're going to do it more, National Stadium more, and we see doing something like this. I think, guys, we should start appreciating how events are guys, more especially before the home crowd. It was absolutely insane.
It was so good to see. Botdswana Rugby Union ba ileng gore league ya bone round 6 ya tswela jalo ka mahelo beke a mme o ka itse re metshameko tshamekela jalo ka go Duma Grounds ka go Gaborone North re ta bona jalo ka go bo Master Pass Beat of Cheaters ka nako ya borrarona ba kopana le jwaneng mme ka go bo re gone o ka itse gore ka kwara tutu re ta bona jalo UB Rhinos e kopana le BU Riders Mr Pass Beat of Cheaters ka 3:30 ba kopane jalo le jwaneng ke ne metshameko e tshameko ya motsela so ele ya Botdswana Rugby League ya batsana jalo mo round 6. Arso mo go tsanetsa rugby ro kumela jalo the ITF Cat 14 and under circuit e leng gore e loganyeditse gore e simolle mo tsatsing la ka moso ka go the tennis center o ka itsalo gore the tournament director Willington Sibanda o tlhalosa jalo gore le hatse la Botswana we ready to host the competition. Ona tlhalosa jalo gore go botlhokwa gore batshameki ba neelwe sebaka sa gore batshameke kgaisano we go leka go tsholetsa jalo the rankings re lebile jalo mo Africa o tlhalosa jana gore e sa le ka re hosta jalo this international and regional competitions le hatse la Botswana la khona gore le nne jalo le baroto etsi go thusa jalo mo go yone metshameko e go tswang jalo go Confederation of African Tennis kana CAT ya ka re bitsa ga mmego le jalo le tse dingwe di kompone tse di teng mono gae tse leng gore di thusa jalo gone ka go tennis so ka tsela re batshameki ba mono gae ba leng gore ba solehetse gore ba tse karolo mo go yone kgitsano ye ke Malak Macheng we re le mongwa ga ngo hitileng a tsa jalo gold medal. Camelia Setso le ene ke bangwe ba leng gore re ba solehetse gore ba tse karolo mo go yone kgitsano ya ka nne ke tlhalosa semola mo tsela ka moso go itheleng jalo di 17 tsa ga June mo tropo kgolo ga borona go leng gore Botswana e taemelwa jalo under 12 boys as well as girls. BTV Sport ina ya ba etetse go twa ka ha ipaakanya ya bone e tsamayang ka teng.
We've prepared us like the Kate is sponsoring for their accommodation, and also some corporate companies also helped us to cater for the accommodations. Everything is in place. Yeah, we're ready to go. There's nothing different. It's just to keep the momentum going. Last year the kids, they performed very well. Yeah, as you know that Malak, she won two legs last year for girls, and the boys also reached the semi-finals and stuff. So yeah, we'll keep the momentum coming. But I was just appealing for the corporate to chip in and help our players sponsor, have more tournaments here in the country, host more tournaments, and then like all over the country, like Francistown, Maun, and all that, so that all the kids, they get that exposure.
Most importantly, I've focused on my strokes, to move my opponent to be more consistent on court, and I've also focused on my mental strength, so, for me not to lose focus in the match, just to keep my momentum up and positive energy, positive talk on court. I am going to say this tournament is somewhat harder than the last one. A lot of great players are coming, but all I can say is I'm ready to give my best, play the best I can play, and hopefully I can come up with the gold yet again.
I think I'm prepared as much as I could be, because I was recently a bit sick, so I had to take some time off, but I think I'm as ready as I think I could be, and I'm just gonna try my best.
I'm okay.
Mo tsatsing gompieno ko ka itsela gore ditiragalo di ka kwa National Stadium ka leng gore go tshameka jalo makgaolakgang a the Orange FA Cup. Re ne re boleletse jalo gore tare kwa makgaolakganyeng a Orange FA Cup re bone jalo tiriso ya VAR kana video assistant referee jaaka re bitsa, mme o ka itsela gore Botswana Football Association referees manager re Phodiso ra Setsoga o tlhalosa jalo gore le hanne bana le maikaelelo ya gone go dirisa jalo VAR mo makgaolakganyeng ao a FA Cup. Seo ga sena se direga ka ntha ya gore ga rena equipment e leng ya rona ra adima yanong batho ba leng gore ra adima go go bone metshameko ya khosafa e tswele pele ya go hela ka Swantaga. So ha gona ka ba ka ra adima.
So they didn't know this.
Bone
ba bane ba organize ba ba ta gore VR e go fela yona ba se tso khosafa te bele on.
Yeah, come on, khosafa di dates tsa bo di sa bologotswa. Like
okay.
Yeah. Me o ka itse lo gore ba tlhalosa jalo gore maikelo magolo a one ke gore re bone jalo tiriso yone e le ya VAR mo the 2025-2026 season, mme hela mo tsatsing la gompieko ga rena go bona jana yone VAR ka ntha ya gore the equipment e leng gore ra ya dima from the Khosafa region e diriswa jalo ko metshamekong yone eo ya Khosafa e Tambukutong ka tsatsi lone e le la Sontaga. Rena re etela jalo region tira Setsoga te mahoko amante
ataka
bemba one
ikelelo tota ne le gore tota re tere ka final ya FA Cup e be le gore re ya e dirisa, mme go dirisa ga teng e se mo eleng gore go setse go rurahaditswe e le go testa thulaganyo ya rona e ne le gore ka se tswa go tlhalosa gore ne le gore re ka nna le one VAR ka yone finally, mme ne ka kgonagala hela ne le gore ne ka nna ka di 21 tsa June ka gore mo sebakeng sa gompieno di tsompelo tsotlhe tse re di tlhokang gore re ka nna le yone re ka e dirisa mo finaleng ya gompieno di dirisiwa ke ba Khosafa. Yaanong go thata gore ba ka tla re tsweletse ka ithutuntsho le go godisa ba eleng gore ke bone ba tlabe ba re tshwaretse tiro mono gae. Re na le di-instructor tse leng gore di ile go Khosafa ka re bua yana tse leng gore mamma go ipaakanya go lebaganne le gore ba tlhokolediwe go nna di-instructor tsa VAR ba certifyiwe. Be re na le di-referee tse pedi tse leng gore le tsone di tshwanetse gore di certifyiwe di tle di oketse palo ye tharo ya ba bararo ba eleng gore re na le bone ba setse ba certifyiwe. Maikaelelo ke go tokagatsa bolo ya rona mo Botswana. Ha re kana re tokagatsa ka dintlha tse di harologaneng batshameki ba tshwara phala jalo le yana yaanong mme ka botsadi ba BFA bo etsereng ka teng bo nang le kgwetlho e teng kgwetlho a bone e leng go godimo ka teng gore re nne le yone ga gona se se tla re emisa tumelo go gore 2025-26 season mebetše e re tla be re kgethetse gore e coverwe ke VAR ra go bona go iragala jalo.
Oh well.
Well.
Well. Okay, bon, let's move on. Re lebelle jalo tsa the playoffs jaaka setshaba sa Calendar Stars ba tabo ba le ba jalo go go tshameka jalo le gape la bobedi la metshameko ya the playoffs ba ipatela phata jalo go tsana mo leaking e kgolwane kana mo the FNB Premiership. Calendar Stars mokatisi wa bone ke bjalo ka Joseph Mokhacha o tlhalosa jalo gore le ga ba eteletse pele ka nno tse tharo go lefela se leng gore ba go se dira ha ba tsana ko joneng ha bana go nyenyehatsa jalo setshaba sone sa joneng Young Stars o ka itsela gore motshameko o leng gore o kile wa move times 100 o ta ga borona wa joneng finally it's in joneng o na tlhalosa jalo re Mokhacha gore o itumediswa jalo ke ka ha leng gore ipaakanya ya setshaba sa gagwe e ntse e tsamaya ka teng a tlhalosa jalo gore ba tshameki bothe ba teng ha gona le ha ile dikgobalo mo stopeng seo. The chairman wa setshaba sa Calendar Stars Rapa Kositsile o tlhalosa jalo le ene gore they are one step closer go hitela jalo toro ya bone e leng go tshameka jalo mo Premier League. A tlhalosa jalo gore ba setse ba simolotse jalo ipaakanya all the necessary preparations go simolla jalo gore setshaba ha se pagama sete se itsetele in the elite league. BTV Sport nele ka go ghetto go etela setshaba sene seo sa Calendar Stars.
We need to go and work very hard. It's their backyard. Everything is possible. If we score 3, they can also score 3. So we are not taking things light. We are working very hard. We are motivating the boys. We are even telling them that we are still very far away from getting where we really think we want to go. It's one leg in there, but we need to sweat, we need to work very hard, technically and tactically, knowing very well how Joining will try to come at us. I don't really think it's a game that they are going to sit back and allow us to come at them. Having considered 3 goals, it means they would have to come, they would have to open the game. So if they open the game, we also have to find a way of countering that.
They are very excited to play this big game. Ke dumela gore ke game le gore a motivator jaaka re batla go Premier League nyana ke dumela gore ke game le gore e ba tsentse mo moraleng tota. They are very happy. So far we don't have injuries. I want to say we have every player available for selection. So we are highly motivated and we are up for the challenge.
We have been experiencing a very challenging season. This current one, the just ended one, or the one which is about to end. Challenging in terms of finances because we're in the league which had no sponsor. But we are here now, one may say one leg into the FNB Premier League, but our intention is to go there and mingle up with the big guys. In terms of preparedness, we are ready. I hear that they say we are going to sell our status, but we're not going to sell the status. Actually, the people are coming to us right now. They want to partnership with us, which is what we welcome. But we have a plan which we are going to stick it if we were to get promoted, which hopefully I hope will get into the league. I'm not saying we are done, but this is just the first half of this playoffs. But yeah, one step at a time we'll get there.
Do you think it's going to gain a promotion?
Definitely Calendar Stars for so many
What
reasons.
are you saying definitely?
One, they have three scoreline is a 3-0, 1,
Yeah.
2. The northern part of the country. So Dumela is a perfect replacement for Chadibe FC. So I agree with one team
balance.
6 north, but the 7 so that Holeke Metshameko means north for Kabakanya is Premier League.
Okay, now all I can say is that good luck to the two teams. May the best prepared team win.
Okay.
Simple as that.
Thank you for being started, but it's fine.
It's going today, Benny. 2 games are being played today.
Of course, the 2 games have been played today. Angola, Madagascar, the host country, the host nation, South Africa. Comoros, the finals there was I can give you a little prediction for one team.
Go.
I think it's going to be Angola versus South Africa for the finals. I think so.
Okay.
Yeah.
Angola.
But I've never gotten any prediction right, so I'm just doing it because
At least you know your weakness. Like you never.
I have never since Kinnamu students, not even a single team.
Then stop predicting.
No, I just feel like predictions give me a bit of life.
Or how did Timmy? Or Timmy by Dean Short.
Okay, girl, you can say that again.
It's Friday the 13th.
Yeah.
Before we can go look at the Club World Cup. Friday the 13th. You know the story of Friday the 13th. No, na le mono mongwa a bitswa Mr. Magibizela mono le na ntwita mmetse go is PSS. Ka re hela gate Friday the 13th but ba dumela re it's a bad day and what. Ne re to thola motho a re betsa Friday go you know today is Friday the 13th. So it's going to be one of those days for one of the teams between Jono and Galaxy and security systems. And you believe it's going to be one day for Jono and Galaxy.
Yes, it's going to be one day for Jono and Galaxy because Nakli Kaba hits the leaky day. I'm not even about systems in Tidirang. The systems has more reason to be motivated more than Jono and Galaxy. So
you think at the end of it all, systems will be crowned the FA Cup champions?
Yes. Yeah.
Wow. Anyway, we'll be at the National Stadium this evening. You're going to be there, right?
I will be there.
Lemon but bajane halem matabelum pataro kai katalum supent. Aribela jalo gore mahelo beke a kana June 15 to be precise go tabo go tshameka go simolla jalo Club World Cup. E leng gore gompieko e tshamekwa in a totally different way. Ena jalo le di group di senkana ka sepe. Group A ena le stapa sa Al Ahly sa ka ko Egypt, Inter Miami ya ga Lionel Messi gona le stapa sa Palmeiras ga mo jalo le stapa sa Porto. Mi group B ena le Atletico Madrid ena jalo le Botafogo gona le stapa sa PSG gona le Seattle Sounders. Group C ena le Oklahoma City, Bayern Munich, Benfica ga mo jalo le stapa sa Boca Juniors. Group D ena le Chelsea, ES Tunisia sa go Tunisia, Flamingo ga mo jalo le Lyon. Mi group B ena le Inter Milan, Monterrey, River Plate, Urawa Reds. Group F ena le Borussia Dortmund gona le stapa sa Fluminense, Mamelodi Sundowns ga mo jalo le stapa sa Al-Sadd. Group G ena le Al Ain, Juventus, Manchester City le stapa sa Wydad. Mi group H ena le Al Hilal, Pachuca, Real Madrid le stapa sa Salzburg. O ka itsalo gore metshameko yone o ya ka nne ke thalosa isimola jalo June 15 and how le bella jalo metshameko e ka ha ile gore kana dinako tse di yang go tshamekwa ka tsone yane it's
USA
game it's USA. Game 1 is Al Ahly and Inter Miami. Motshameko o tshamekwa jalo ka 2 a.m. on Sunday. Bayern Munich, Oklahoma City onota tshamekwa jalo ka 6 p.m. Meka Sunday PSG e tshameka le Atletico Madrid ka 9 o'clock. Mr. Palmeiras ka Monday kana midnight wa Sunday ba ta ba tshameka le Porto 2 a.m. ke tsa tsatsi la Sontaga tabele tsatsi la Sontaga rona kwa no re bitsa Saturday bosigo but it will be Sunday ke gona ka Club World Cup eta bosigo. I think I like the new format here the Club World Cup. So many teams, we're not going to be bored.
We're not going to be bored.
This off season is going to be very short.
Yes, and all these groups are interesting. Go to house and group are interesting. One of the pages interesting.
Yes.
Group are interesting. One interesting. I was actually looking at group ya Jaloli Al Ahly Inter Miami ya Messi ke jalo ya Atletico Madrid le PSG wana ra mo dintse la bekile bela Bayern le Benfica ha Chelsea le ES Tunisia yona ke team ya Africa ha re so Inter Milan na jalo le Urawa Reds. I actually have something interesting about Urawa Reds but go bona sente. And then Dortmund na jalo le Mamelodi Sundowns.
So it's very interesting. Dortmund ba long ba kwadiste jalo Job Bellingham the younger brother to Jude Bellingham, literally following in his big brother's footsteps. Mimotsila ma ba netletse re bona stapa sa Real Madrid ba announce jalo motshameki wa pele wa stapa sa Liverpool ki ba jalo ka Trent Alexander-Arnold ka go stop. What is wrong with
this man has heartbroken me. I unfollowed him everywhere.
I do that. I support Liverpool. You leave Liverpool, I unfollow you.
I do exactly
New player, I follow you. You go, I unfollow. Why should I be following you? You're no longer playing for my team. But you know what? Good luck to Trent Alexander-Arnold. They're going to be putting on Jesse 12 Costa Pensoneso Elisa Real Madrid. I didn't talk about the Orange FA Cup so much. Yeah, well, it is very intentional because course, the second segment is all about the Orange FA Cup taking place this evening at the National Stadium. Marbe ka ha harsa ka ha Benny B ha me go le naledi ba go le kala jalo seemo sa pharakano.
ta ke simolole jalo go ra ke re go tsena jalo sekhutana se teme re go lekulisa jalo seemo sa pharakano mo sa gompieko ke simolola jalo ka tropo kgolo ga borone go utwa jalo Sergeant Ramakoloi gore seemo sa pharakano sa maka selentseng jang gone mo tropo kgolo. Sergeant Ramakoloi dumelang. Sergeant Ramakoloi, good morning.
Mona go sing
ra letelisana
ra re sia lo sia me gabo
nya re dira hela senta ngwana matsapa hisa mo pelong gone ya ruta gore seemo sa pharakano sona sa maka selentseng jang Sergeant.
wa ga mme makelo dumedise ka go studio ka ko ke be ke dumedise setšhabela ka karetso rra seemo sa pharakano ke mo tseleng ya A1 hela ha o ya ka ha bokoni jwa tropo ka ha mme ra senka se ka nra gore ditsela tsa rena ha re di tlhola matsatsing la gompieko pharakano e teng mispa gore ha tla senyana tota ha re ba pitsele malatsi a ntse re tswa mo go one rra go tsamega go le botokanyana tsa matsatsing la gompieko go tla go tsena re leng teng a pharakano sentse e le magareng yana mo bontsing jwa ditsela mme tsamaya go le bonolo tota wa gamma mme la go boetsong ga ke na go taboga ditsela ra ka bongwe hela jwa tsone ke hela gongwe re ga go le setshaba gore re na le bothata ja gore o ka re ha go nna le bonya mo toropong kana go nna le mosike yalo bangwe ba rona ba le ka go itlhaganela go mo go bogelela go ba ka le tsone ditsela tsentseng a re tsweleleng ka jone bopelotelele mo toropong bogolo jang mo nakong tse e leng gore pharakano e ntsi mo toropong jalo ka one magoko a kalo rra ke go eletsa setšhaba hela mahelo a beke a molemo tota a senang ditiragalo dipeng kgonne go ne go le molemo tota go dira le lona beke e rra go itlhela re kopana mo nakong e tlang se
kgonne na jalo mahelo a beke a itumedisang
ra ke lebogile se
Sergeant Ramakoloi mo borone molaetsa mogolo wa mosa wa gompieko wa gagwe ke gone gore nne jalo pelo telele mo toropo kgolo ga borone ga re setsana mo ditseleng ka gore being impatient doesn't actually solve anything mme ta ke tabogela jalo ka ko Francistown go butsang jalo le constable phela go uta gore ka ko toropo ya kota ke re ke constable nkele go uta jalo gone gore seemo sa pharakano sa maka selentseng jang gone ka ko constable nkele. Good morning.
ke phela
Constable phela yes Constable phela dumelang kgone le telisi ya me. Alright, maisorolong kgone re tsena mo go tsone ruta jalo gore seemo sa pharakano sa maka selentseng jang.
la ke go leboge mo nakong ya gompieko ke dumedise badirisi ba tsela tsa rona tsotlhe tsela tsa rona ke tla le tsone mme mo nakong ya gompieko pharakano tempe e bona le mo go tsone ditsela tse tsotlhe hela tsela tse tsone e word first time tsona tsa front arm kabana e tira ga tlhakana tsa tempe di siamela pharakano go tla mo go tsone e tsile mo go batla bope hantse mo go tsone ditsela tse bo matitu tsa keng ka tsela ba kopana tsela marambo ipuiso fit matante general draft mme jo man e tsone mo nakong ya gompieko tsa siamela pharakano go tla mo go tsone ditsela tse e tsile mo go batla bope hantse ke tsa male tsone tseno tse go gara ga toropo eleng bulu jaaka tshentse ke street ta street ke siamela di atama ha ya go tla bope pharakano tsa be bona le go tla mo go tsone ditsela tse e teng tlhokwela ke bona ba tsamaganya ba mo tsong bona la matla gore mo tla tsela mo nakong ya gompieko le tsela ke kopa ba go petse go tsela le go tlhoko le bona ba tsamaganya ke ba kopara ba ne ba ntse ba lekela tlhoko kana go tsotlhe gantsi ba tsamaya matla go tsotlhe a tse di roboto tsone di se dire mo toropong ya rona mo tsena gompieko a tsa tsela se mo ba kopana tse di new brief for for area stadium camp hala tsela new brief for stadium ke tsena go roboto mo toropong mo nakong ya gompieko di sa di ring ka tsela ke ba go pagana go tsotlhe go tsela ntse ba dirisana sentle ha ba tsena mo go tsone dipono tsa metsepelo re mo helong a beke la ke ba go pora e go tswa go ke tswa teng ka hantse maditseng ra teng mo tsela o le ka go tibela tsone dikotsi a mahelo a beke a ka hetola ka hantse ba dirisana ka teng tsela mo go nyang pego la go para mo go nyetlang a mahelo a beke ene a ba ba le tsere
mahelo a beke tana ba balasegileng kgone ya tabo jalo mo nakong e tang tholang sentle.
Thank you sir.
Ele seemo sa pharakano sa moso wa Labotlhano ke constable maphela ka go the city of Francistown jaaka na dira jalo mo bekeng yone ke ba le ba sepodisa Botswana jaaka ba dira tiro e bokgabane tota ga go ta jalo mo tekodisong ya seemo sa pharakano with the traffic regulations, with the traffic behavior that is expected from the drivers is always the same go ena kganyeno ya gore e simola ka wena le mo tseleng mo lapeng gore o thole jalo gore a koloi ya gago e itekanetse jalo gone go tsena mo tseleng ga go te go itekanetse go tla gore is it roadworthy, is it indicating di wiper di a bereka a hutera ya bereka o itse gone gore e dirisiwa eng and all those things pele ga wena o le mokgweetsi o ka leka jalo gone gore o thole gore a wena o itekanetse go tsena mo tseleng gore a o bona sente gore ga o kgatesa kgatelo ya nnotagi le gone gore a generally are you na le that conscience ga o dirisa tsela le batho ba bangwe mme ke tsa kere ke dikgakolo tse le gore tswala jalo di hwa jalo ke ba sepodisi sa Botswana jaaka ba ntse ba dira jalo moso le moso mo bekeng yone mme moso wa gompieko Dumela Botswana ga nke lofa jalo ga bua jalo ka yone kganyeno ya Discover Botswana.
As we go on the roads,
Yes,
right?
of course.
We know that hala mahelo a beke a tsanana re leba gore re ka kae re ta re ikhutsa re na le bone ba lelapa la rona or our friends, you know, our family le bone bana re ba bontsha dilo hela gore nya mme Botswana wa rona o montle. And today is no different. Le tla re aka ko Manong Game Lodge. Let's go see some vultures, let's go see some birds, let's go see some different animals and teach our children about, you know, wildlife and everything around it that surrounds our beautiful country. Let's go discover Botswana.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome to Manong Game Lodge. Manong Game Lodge welcomes you.
Manong Game Lodge is a 100% Botswana owned lodge. It's situated 17 kilometers away from Lobatse, which is the Botswana meat hub, just along the A1 road to Ramatlabama. Manong Game Lodge is a flagship camp for Regent Group hotels, and it has been operating for some few years now, since 2017. But before then, we were a farm, I would say a cattle farm, but we saw it fit that we changed from the cattle farm to game lodge. And then Manong Game Lodge is a conservation lodge, I would say, looking at the fact that anything that we have here is natural. We preserve nature. We preserve everything that we have around the game lodge. We offer a variety of activities, from your segways, we offer cycling, we do offer game drives, we do have guided walks. We have got obstacle courses and paintballs. With obstacle courses, the main reason for having that was to get people together. We have a lot of corporate or business travelers coming through for team buildings and all that, so it's a way of getting people together. Having to play with your co-workers or your workmates brings back that unity. If you want to, or if you're a leisure traveler and then you want to relax, rejuvenate, we've got our spas around here which offer a variety of services in the spa. We've got 40 rooms in total, which 17 of them are executive rooms, and then we've got 10 king rooms, 2 family rooms, and tented or luxurious tents. Can do day visit. We do have day visitors coming through for swimming and enjoying the area around here. I think most of the people also like to be around here just because of the gardens and the vegetation on its own. So they feel relaxed when they are around here most of the time. We do have restaurants. Our restaurant have or offer Western and Tswana cuisine, which because we've got international travelers as well. So we just wanted to explore other areas of food. So having that in the lodge really helps a lot.
Manon Game Lodge, welcomes almost everyone. It's either international or local. You're most welcome to visit us in Manon Game Lodge.
The breakfast show, and today I'm very excited as usual because we are going outside, we are going on adventures. Today we are talking about the 2025 Kawa Dune Challenge and Cultural Festival. A very exciting time for patriots. It has been happening for a lot of years, 13 to be exact, obviously with the exception of COVID, but it is here once again. And I can say but what can you expect, whether it's your first time going there or you are returning? And to join us through this conversation, we have event organizer by the name of Thabo Majola. This year, go Kawa. Hi Thabo, how are you?
I'm fine, thanks. I'm absolutely excited.
I love the energy because let's go. Kawa, it's back. What can we expect this year alone? Kawa King, the first time you're going. Let's explain what Kawa Dune Challenge and Cultural Festival is.
I think this year in particular, from the 27th to the 29th, that's when we're having the Kawa Dune Challenge and Cultural Festival. So that's an event that fuses motorsport, outdoors, experience outdoors, and also the cultural aspect there, the polkas, and the contemporary festival where young artists and up-and-coming artists have got an opportunity to showcase. And there's lots and lots of activities. So it's really about enjoying the outdoors and enjoying one of Botswana's best events in the outdoors, on the sand dunes. High level sunset, the sunrise, you're spoiled for choice.
Because I was about to say, one of the things that we always think about is, okay, we can all, but the energy or the way the place is, which is in the Kalahari. How far is Kawa from Gabs? Let's start there.
From Gabs, it's about 740, 750, but I've said, it's nothing. Botswana is a very beautiful country, and we owe it to ourselves to go and experience rona. I really appreciate it. So 750 is nothing if you're not in a rush, which you shouldn't be.
You shouldn't be.
Because we experience the best of Botswana culture, we experience the best of Botswana sport, from motorsport right up to football. And over and above that, you're going to relax. So it's not a
the experience starts when you're leaving, right? You should just until you arrive, and then there's more to expect there. You say there's a lot for everybody, right? Let's go through some of the things that we can expect to happen. You're going to be attending Kawa.
Okay, good. I think in terms of expectation, the event starts Friday. So Friday morning, there will be motorsport. Organized by Botswana Motorsport. We've got cars, we've got the quad bikes, we've got ordinary two-wheeler bikes, and we're expecting more than 60 participants in each category, in the categories to be racing. So they'll be doing time trials on Friday, and then in the evening, it's the Key Mark Welcome event, where we will have our officials, our hosts, particularly from government, and we expect His Excellency to be there.
Oh, wow.
So he will be there, and then we will close it up on a Friday night with the polka and cultural event. Synonymous for polka. I'm sure you've seen content there, polka. And then Saturday morning, we have now the race, motorsport, which starts in the morning at about 9 o'clock. And then in the afternoon, we've got football, we've got tug of war, we've got 4x4 challenge where people drive cars to see who can make it to the top of the hill. We've got Dune Challenge where people compete to run up the dune. And then we've got the famous horse racing as well, from about 12 o'clock until about 5. And then that evening, not that it's enough, that evening there's now the contemporary festival that's then hosted from about 6 till late. I'll not say what time it stops, but 6 till late. You are camping, and I like the fact that we are camping, because even from a camping point of view, there are options for everyone. There are people like me who prefer etela ditente, so there's an option for that. Or an DIY campsite, you can bring your campsite, you can bring your fancy trailers, you can bring set up, cook for yourself and experience the proper camping as you define it. But there are also other packages. We've got 6 campsites where we've engaged private companies who will be providing hospitality. So there are tents, they range from
if you
standard.
Go from glamping, you already find something ready for you.
We've got you sorted.
All right.
We have you sorted. There's that side, standard, medium, executive, VIP, and VVIP in those areas, where you can have showers, you can have everything that you need. So it'll literally, in those campsites, but there comfort there and brought it into the campsite. So we've got everything for everybody. And it's no excuse for anyone to be more Borrarona or anywhere else more Botdswana, for that
matter. All the way from Francistown, all the way from Maung and all the surrounding areas.
Definitely, because I think even from a racing point of view, there are racers above Francistown, Maung. So the participants who are also there are from everywhere in Botswana. So we encourage you to come and support them.
So basically, Kawa is a cultural village that everybody is going to enjoy.
It's going to be Botswana's best cultural village for that weekend.
All right, for that weekend. But of course, with the cultural village being set up there, we are invading Kawa. Let's talk about how it benefits them, the people that of Kawa.
Yes, I think it's Kawa and surrounding areas, because it's important that, as much as the right thing for the weekend, it's important for people to benefit, as you said. So we've got a few things. Kawa Development Trust, hand in glove. So for starters, in terms of the DIY campsite, by a manager, and the proceeds from that go to the development trust.
Okay.
We also pay land rights. The village that weekend. So those proceeds also go to Kawa village, where they can then use them. And then we've got other things. There's a market. We'll be having an art craft market. My key, CBD Kawa.
I love it.
Where they'll be able to sell bags, nice gadgets. So people bring, when you come, so you can buy, you can transact. And then we've got the food market, where Bone, Banga, Kawa and surrounding areas are able to then sell food to the thousands and thousands of people that we're expecting. And of course, the common thing is jobs. That temporary as they may be for that weekend, the reality is we put an emphasis on all the jobs. We must first give priority to Bandi, Bakawa and surrounding areas. So, and there's another interesting aspect I almost forgot. A boot camp as well.
Okay.
A racing boot camp, where we're going to identify some of the best talented children,
That's interesting.
Get them on bikes or get them on quads. And then on Friday, they're going to have their own race. And hopefully the winners of those races, we can continue developing them further, so that one day we can have Munua Kawa winning the races.
I love the fact that everybody gets to benefit from this. Now, if it's the first time Wako Kawa, what can you make sure that you get ready? How can you get ready with preparations in terms of going there, in terms of how you have your car ready and what you should wear, what you should expect the weather to be like? Just give us some of those precautions.
All right. First, don't be in a rush. Plan well.
Okay.
Plan well. The event starts on Friday. Make sure you put enough traveling time, because it's not about rushing there. It's about driving safe and arriving alive, and most importantly, enjoying the experience. Road trip and its nature is exciting. It's nice. You get to appreciate Bonava, to stop, interact with Botswana and go there. And of course, this year we're expecting it to be slightly colder. But I mean, moi moi, we like our pekile moi moi, warm clothes. But at the same time, our weather in Botswana, it's cold at night and in the morning, but quite warm enough during the day. So have that variety and make sure that you've got. But otherwise, in terms of food, in terms of stalls, if you are camping, bring your own stuff, but there will be things there for sale. We've also got a financial partner, I forgot to mention. We'll make it easier for people to access money. So carry enough money to pay for the things you need on the way. But as long as you've got a Visa card, you should be able to access funds while Kokawa.
So it's something you will spend on, but it'll be spending for a good cause.
For a good cause, definitely for a good cause.
When we're talking about tourism and other information that we can mention when it comes to tourism in Botswana and this product in particular, what is the message that you're trying to give to Botswana? Also as an inspiration to other festivals. I mean, we've got very beautiful locations in Botswana. This is a location event, meaning that you get to experience a lot more than just the camping. You get to experience the dunes, the Kalahari Desert, which is something really Botdswana. Okay, we've got the Kalahari Desert.
Yes.
Let's experience something like that. But what does it mean for Botswana's tourism?
I think the first thing, let's go to us as individuals. Tota, if you are a patriot in Botswana, you must make sure that you know your country. So that you must be able to answer with color. And that's why for us, we create platforms like Bokawa so that you can have that cultural experience, know your country. But at the same time, visit, learn other languages, see how other people live, see how the sun sets in Botswana's rare resource, which is the desert. Do all those wonderful things so that tomorrow you can help us sell the story. To come and experience.
What language are you using? So what is the dialect that we use there? Is it mainly Afrikaans?
No, there are many. Botswana like any other thing.
Okay.
Afrikaans and many other unique languages in the area. But I challenge you. I agree you are coming.
The challenge. It is a June challenge after all. So
it is a challenge.
We'll try to do something.
Are you not coming?
Yes, I'll be there.
Okay, excellent.
I'll definitely be there. Okay, all right. I'll
challenge accepted.
When we're talking about going there, all right, we've got the cars. How's the road?
The road, it's relatively. And I'll take you 2 steps back. Let's get it's there. You're going out to have fun and relax. So the road is absolutely tarred up. After Tsabung, there's a turn that we then take. Then there's a dirt road plus 70 to 80 kilometers.
Oh my goodness!
And it's a nice road. You will enjoy the drive and experience.
Can you go with a sedan, a small car, and off-road cars?
The recommendation is off-road cars. Recommendation. Last year, I was looking at the content there, Kawa last year. We saw Mudun Challenge, Motatere Maufit. So it's also the driver that sometimes the driver matters more than the car. But yes.
You recommend off-road cars?
We recommend off-road cars, but you can certainly arrive.
All right. I want you now to talk to somebody who's never been to Kawa. Just encourage them that this is something that can benefit you and just be excited for it. It's going to be an experience you can tell for a lifetime before we wrap up this conversation.
Okay. Well, Kawa is one of the premier events in Botswana. It infuses culture. So you'll get the best of all worlds. You will see culture, you'll experience culture, you'll have local food here, that area. And sports. In terms of sports, there's football, there's motorsport, there are cars, quads, and bikes. There's also tug of war. There's also the cultural festival or contemporary festival where you can see our more famous artists perform. So it's going to be a good cultural exchange. And I think for someone who's visiting Botswana, because there have been people from Namibia and South Africa going to Kawa, they love the place. And for anyone else, Botswana, we challenge you to come to the Kawa June Challenge and experience it, so that you too can be part of our story, Botswana, and proudly go out and share it with the world.
That's a beautiful thing that we could do. And if we want to get in contact with you, whether it's a stakeholder, whether to find out more information, where do we call, where do we find more information about Kawa?
The simplicity, there are many stakeholders, but we've got one common identity, which is the Kawa June Challenge message and Facebook page. So I know Facebook is the most used platform in Botswana. So the easy thing is go onto our Facebook page, drop us a message there if you can't find anything that you want. But all updates are in there. And we will continue to have interviews such as this one, go on radio, and try our best to spread the message. But if you want to verify certain things or ask, somewhere we go with the Kawa Facebook page and you'll find us there.
All right, thank you so much, Mathabo. We will be there and we'll be enjoying, and I'm sure mkhona le Motswana ori nyame anu ke simolla go plana ke a tsamaya.
Yeah, plana. We look forward to welcoming you.
All right, and that is the 2025 Kawa Dune Challenge and Cultural Festival. If you are looking for a plan in the next 2 weeks to go out and experience something different, a different landscape of Botswana, this is where you want to be. Make sure that you go on Facebook and search 2025 Kawa Dune Challenge and Cultural Festival to ask any questions that you may have. But otherwise, get those boots ready, get those jackets ready, and get your energy ready because we are going on an adventure. But for now, let's find out what's happening in the world around us with the news at 7. Let's go.
February 8 go ne go tshamekwa metshameko ya ntha e le yone ya the Orange FA Cup ya no re tsana jalo mo June 13 ha go tla go tshamekwa motshameko wa bohelo e le one wa the Orange FA Cup magala kgang ke dithlopha tse pedi e leng ba sireletsi ba sejana seo ke bua jalo ka jone Galaxy ga ba nosi bana le ba ikileng ba utwa jalo gore gone mme ha re bua ka Orange FA Cup go teiwa in they only played the finals ke bua ka setshaba sa security systems ha o ka tsamao ya go komela wa jalo Wall of Champions o ka ga season 1 ine e gapiwa ko Rapa United, season 2 Gaborone United, season 3 Gaborone United, season 4 Gaborone United, season 5 e tsaba jalo ke setshaba sa Johannesburg Galaxy. Potso ke gore season 6 yone e le ba ko kae karabo tsothe ditabo di le bosego ja tsela gompe ko ka National Stadium 7:30 as the kick-off time ha motshameko o wa le sa ga dipala dinaledi ga mmogo le the Alarm Boys o tabotsa karolo. We are here to wrap up season 6 ka ha ile gore e simolotse ka teng e tsamaile ka teng le gone ka ha e helang ka teng ta ke se sebaka se ke dumedisebe ke amogela jalo Orange Botswana Events and Sponsorship Coordinator ke bua jalo ka me Cynthia Khagodi. She was supposed to be with the Botswana Football Association rep, but I'm not gonna go there. Cynthia, good morning, how are you?
Good morning. I'm all right, and thank you for having me.
It's a pleasure to have you. We are wrapping up season 6 of the Orange FA Cup. At a similar way, literally everything started February 8. Well, February 8 is literally the games, but there's a lot of work behind the scenes. How has it been?
Totala gongwe ke simolela gongwe ko re simolotseng teng hela for this past 3 seasons. Ilone season 4, 5 and season 6. I would say it's been an absolutely amazing journey of growth, and we've encountered challenges and we've been able to maneuver around them, and we've had our wins. Yaka we itse gore kana the Orange FA Cup tota as Orange Botswana for us tota se re batang go se dira thata se re batang go sa achieve with Orange FA Cup is the nurturing of talent from grassroots level hela gone gore bonela ba ntse ba advance, and also to have a positive economic impact mo Botswana ka bophara. Yaka we itse gore the Orange FA Cup hela ka ha entseng ka teng we give every team an equal opportunity to compete gore di team tsa last four tsa Premier League di na le chance ya gore di tshameke le di team tse di mo regional level le yone bo first division yalo, and with that ra tsamaya re tarentse hela re tsamaya hela dingwa se re tsamaya re boa go karaka rumbu ko bo gantsi go kuntsi kgakala ko le bo ga bone ko re metse le metsana re tsena di team tse le gore ke di team tsa Premier League le tsone they get go tshamekela mo le rolling, and di team tse le gore ke di team tsa tseo tse dinyenyane tseo le tsone di ata di ta go tshamekela go thefo. So it's been an absolute amazing journey. And I want to mention le gone gore ha re ntse re tayana dingwaga tse tsotlhe tse yana even hela le yone season yone ha re simola the Orange FA Cup, we engage local suppliers ke bone ba ba rokelang di-team di-kit, and these teams le tsone re ba support ka di-travel subsidies go ngwe ko ba yang teng, whether you are home or away. Travel subsidies are guaranteed. Then bo go nna le gone gore e le gone go supporta di-team every stage ha ka re na le di-knockout yana team ga e tsamegela ipotere ba nna ba ntse ba tsaya sengwenyana ya karete be re bona ka moso yana today yana this evening this evening re tabe re bona the winning team le gore is walking away with 800,000 pula, the runner ups 400,000 pula. Go tahela ntse ile a journey of prizes and empowering and nurturing talent.
Even for the supporters, every game it has its supporter of the You talk about players also having men of the match awards. It has been like that. But you know, challenges are always there. What are some of the challenges you guys encountered season 6 le ka re ha re helletsa ja ka re helletsa mo tsetsi la gompeko ka manta ga ha le nna ha tsebele re nya me we encountered this next season, let us tackle it this way.
Gona hela ja ka o itse ga gona mosepele o pe o senkeng wa nna le dikgwetho, but se se botlhokwa kana mo dikgwethong is being able o kgone gore o thibetswe ne diphata tseo jaaka halele re ne re kgona gore especially ha re simolla bone bo last 48 last 32 dipula dinagale gore gona le hanele gore ha gongwe di game tshwana ke gore e move to the next day or to an earlier a later time ke gone hela gore I think hela o se ke se itemogetseng ka gone gore le gone working with experts from both bone di LOC yalo di technical team go le gone gore ko mabaleng gongwe le gongwe re na le batho ba the right people ba tla gore ba na le boitseanape ja kgwele ya dinao ke gone mo gona gore la ha ile gore pula enele ba gona gore ba lebelele ba kgone gore ba recommend gore mme ha entse yana re ka emela re tswelele kana re dira yang. So tota hela ke ka re hela from learning from tsone di kgwetho tse le gore di experience this season ke gone hela gore tota di kgwetho ga di a tshwana gore emisa go dira sepe ka gore kgwetho tse re di boneng we've learned and we are learning from them and we have been able to overcome. So ke gone hela gore we keep pushing.
And one team is going to be pushing. This trophy is so heavy. One team is going to be pushing this trophy. Makantile. What is happening at the National Stadium this evening? Gona le ba ilong gore ha gona di bolo maetso ha gona sepe to watch on TV. Me nna ha ke motho wa sports me ke bata go a lebale. Ba tshwaretse eng ba ilong gore bona ba rata kgwele ya dinao. Yes, there is this beautiful trophy to play for between Galaxy and Security Systems.
I think santa hela ke gone hela gore ke tshwela gore kana the Orange FA Cup rata re bitsa re ke mabala a ditoro because this is where dreams and talents are recognized. Santa hela ke gore I want Botswana whether wa rata football kana wa rata football gore just come to the stadium to support. You know ya ka re ana o ka itse gore season ye tota has been full of amazing I think this season has been full of the results, it's surprising results. Lo gompena la wa ipotsa hela gore tota mme hela ke team e leng gore ya go tsamaya ka 800,000 pula le one trophy yone. So it's going to be amazing go lebaleng. We have an amazing artist, a lineup of artists. Rena le bone bo Hensi, bo DJ Lefatse, bo Chokoma, bo Lioness Ratang, go rotebele an evening of fun. Le bone di feni hela yalo ya ka o itse gore rena le mampempe giveaways as a way of saying thank you to Botswana, as a way of saying thank you for making Orange Botswana for what Orange Botswana is.
Yes. Mo itse le gore tare morago ga one motshameko wa setshaba sa Jono Galaxy ga mmogo le Security Systems mongwe a sena go kuka trophy go a gonna jalo le the individual awards. Ha re bua jalo ka the individual awards, goalkeeper of the tournament nominees ke Mwampule Masule wa setshaba sa Security Systems le Sansen VTM Victor James ko Jono Galaxy le Cedric Ramojela ko Matebele. Ha ntse tsamao komela jalo other nominees gona jalo le player of the tournament elwa njalo ke Thero Sitsile wa Jono Galaxy o nkabetse Makhantai Jono Galaxy Gilbert Baruti Galaxy Ronald kana ke motho a ka re Ronel Mayanga wa setshaba sa Matebele gona jalo le Michael Tinye go security systems Thapo not Thato but Thapo ke se lebale wa security systems coach of the season le bona ba katisi go bana jalo gore ga re ga ga ribon Chikoti Njavera wa VT Sam Mpatani go joining Galaxy David Botlasitse ko security system and of course the most interesting nominee ke be jalo ka Sean Connor was coach Matebele. That's how he was nominated, but now Sean Connor is coaching Janeng Galaxy. Yeah, he is coaching Janeng Galaxy. You were like a Sean Connor no more type, but if he's going to be in the bench today, ebe lo gore Janeng Galaxy wa mona ke o na le se Mompatan. Janeng Galaxy the winner. Hey, re leba ka tseleng an interesting one for the adjudicators. Sa Cynthia yo ke ba eleng gore ba liba jalo kana ke bona ba seka ba thopang jalo this individual hours le bone ha sore ba itswela hela Cynthia le bone there is something that at the end of the day mothakare but I'm season 6 ke tshamekile I'm player of the tournament I'm walking home with 50,000 pula.
Yeah, our player of the season will walk away with 50,000 pula. Top goal scorer 30,000 pula, le bone di coach of the tournament, assistant referees jalo le bone ma 20,000 pula. And ke batla gone go tshwaela gore kana le ene man of the match. At every game we are awarding man of the match from last 48 re tarba ha ma 1,000 le di trophy ha re ntse ra advance abo ma 2,000 2.5 last go the semi-final saying man of the match on out at 3.5.
Yes.
Gompieno today yana man of the match o tabatsa ya 7,000 pula. Le ene fan of the match hela yalo re tantse re nela game ngwe le ngwe re nela fan of the match airtime ya 2.5 but today we're going to be launching something amazing, something special for fan of the match, fan of the season o ele gore ene there was then a chance gore Botswana ba mo votele aba winner 10,000 pula. That's why Totarere Orange FA Cup is for everyone, whether you are a player, kana o Motswana ko lapeng, kana o morati le morutetso wa football, everyone gets a chance to benefit from the Orange FA Cup.
Yeah, hona le batho ba eleng gore Sala Orange FA Cup from season 1 to season 6 and I think you know where I'm going. We are coming to the end of season 6, which also marks the end of the relationship or the contract. Let me not say relationship, let me say the contract between you guys and Botswana Football Association. Dithogo di a opa mo ba latedi ba kgola dina gore are you gonna see Orange back next season or what is what?
For now Tota I really can't say, but ke batla gore our partnership with the BFA has been really fruitful. As Orange Botswana, as you all may know, we are very big on supporting talent and excellence. So the Orange FA Cup we bone hela from Koretswanteng, we've seen the player ba ile gore bana ba tshameka gone go di teaming go Orange FA Cup ba absorbiwa go Premier League yone kgolo e leng gore batla go e bona le yone talent e leng gore batla gore in on the spotlight gore ba gone gore ba e bone la ka gompieno hela ana re bona ile gore go tshameka di team tse leng gore the wounded Janeng Galaxy we know gore we re tsa go Premier League and then le yone security system e relegated gore tota rona re le Orange and le gone gore the Orange FA Cup kana gore the winners today ba qualify the CAF. So totala ka ke bua gore for us the Orange FA Cup is more than just football. So it's one asset that we take pride in because re khona go bona the economic impact that it has more Botswaneng. From last 48 hela re tare bona go ntse go tala ko mabaleng and we all know what that means ha go tetse ko mabaleng ke sengwenyana for the team kana those ticket sales they go to the team and BFA let's only the trainings that Orange Botswana pays for go trainer the coach the referee yalo kana the skills training ke so se leng gore wa train you and you it lasts you a lifetime so tota the Orange FA Cup ke gone go change matshelo a batho so
you guys
be on the lookout.
So you guys were happy with how everything turned out?
As a sponsor, yes, we are happy because re bone the true essence of the Orange FA Cup. Ke a itse gore go na diganya gore nka be go qualifyile semama le semama gore, but for us as the sponsor se se botlhokwa mo go rona ke yone the talent nurturing, ke yone support, giving everyone an equal opportunity to compete.
Yeah, if the sponsor is happy, it can only mean one thing and one thing. So like Nahela, from what I know and what I'm gathering, they'll be back next season. So you don't have to worry. Hi, Security Cynthia, but they'll be back. I want you to give Botdswana the message, encourage them to come to this national stadium this evening, Cynthia, as your parting words.
Yeah, first and foremost, I just want to thank Botdswana for the support that they have been giving us throughout this season. Their turn-up Lebaleng has been really amazing. And to the players and the teams, I just want to say, you've got this. We have seen your talent, we've seen your resilience. So I just want to say, bopa hela yalo Botdswana bone ke batla gore ke ba re kere mabala a re bitsa tabe dintsha tang the stadium. It will be a night full of fun activities. Itabele maitisho hela Friday.
Yes.
Yeah.
Cynthia, it has been a pleasure having you. Thank you so much for your time. National Stadium. National Stadium.
See you later.
Right.
Thank you.
Yeah, 7:30 is the kickoff time between Security Systems and Joining Galaxy. The ticket di regiswa go di topentse o mo ka izalo gore le National Stadium ba tlhalosa jalo gore ditabo di regiswa 50 pula grandstand, 30 pula ka kopanda, 20 pula elsewhere. Gona le bo Chukoma, gona le bo Hensi, gona jalo le bo Ratang. Ke bangwe ba ile gore ka ya go ba bona gone ko National Stadium this evening as we conclude the Orange FA Cup season 6 and lwela ya rona beke ya breakfast show e wala ka tsela entseng jalo re kopana maitse ba tsela gompieko ka ko National Stadium. The big question is, who is going to be lifting this trophy? That is the big question. Besides me, I have the pleasure of lifting it, but between Tabolina Nyane as well as Bopelo Macheng, what's the Security Systems, who's going to be touching it after me? It remains the question. All the answers this evening at the National Stadium. Kibira Karabo, Miss K. Bosena. Until next time, bye-bye.
Ke bidwa Emmanuel Senamolela, ke dira pottery, kana ke dira dinkgwana. In general, ke dira dilo tse di dirisiwang mo kitcheneng, dibeisane, dikopi, le mablompo ya ka re tle re dirise bue ya dinilweng. Dinkgwana tse kgona go di dirisa go kgabisa. Ke ithutile hela mo bathong. Like, I've never been to tertiary school to do this. This is from school, from my secondary level. Nenze ke dira art. Ele passion tota mo gonna. Le mo dikolong ya la mo di secondary ke thuste bana ba le bantsi go so that ba kgona ba achieve their goal when it comes to the project tsa bone tsa especially tsa form 3. So we're going to start by wedging clay. Thereafter we're going to jump on the wheel and start demonstrating on how we throw with clay on the potter's wheel. You see that it makes some beautiful spirals. This means the clay is well prepared or well wedged. So here we're going to demonstrate on how we do or how we work on the potter's wheel. This machine is called potter's wheel. The technique here is called throwing. The reason why they say it's called throwing is that when you start, you have to throw a lump of clay on the wheel. Then you have to balance and make sure this lump is well centered. This is how we center it. Your hands remain in the center. So it has to spin without wobbling or wandering about. From here, we are going to pierce through. You go all the way down, but make sure you leave enough space for your base, right? So the reason why I use my hands attached all the time is to balance. Then I go all the way down. I use my sponge to take out any excess water. This is just to perfect the shape now. Make sure it's well shaped. Okay, I use my knuckle just to make the shape look a bit nicer. Then I'm going to use one of my favorite wooden tools to perfect the shape down there. I want to trim off any unwanted clay. That was just a brief demonstration on how we make pots in pottery. All these pots, they went through a very high range of fire. They are tsupiwa gore di nyaka di ntse yang. Let's introduce pottery Modi brigades. Let's introduce pottery to keep our prisoners busy. Ke ba ruta sengwe sa go itirela ka diatla. Ke let's go dira a ceramic school.
ke simolohelana ke go tseye jalo ka mothala ke reng ka ngwaga wa 1901 rana bona jana le kgarejana la ka ko United States of America ke ba jalo ka me Somora Smart RA go siame re bona jalo gore bomme ba dira tiro ente mme nna ke le Somora ke nagano le ba ke tshotswe le bone tota mme mare go jalo ke rarona o le gore o dira tiro ka bokgabana mme anong borrarona bone go dimetse hela gona spaces go buang ka bone ba dimetse hela o re go ditsa sente re ba rata re mo lapeng ga le makgwerape mme anong bone o le bua ka tseleng senjang mme a bona jalo go tshwana gore mme ka June gone hela go ka yone tsatsi le matsala ga rra go sima jalo go nang mo go teng Father's Day mme ra bona jalo e le gore it's 17 years tota since the inception of Father's Day gona go tsela America le gore anong ke letsatsi le gore le kitikiwa le hatse ka bophara mme mo sa gompieko jaaka re ke bua gore dikompone le batho ba dikgobo tota ba itsela gore gone mme go tsotsa nako yone go tshwana gore go nne jalo mo go teng Father's Day gore dikompone le ba jalo customer tsa bone ba re ke ba bone ba ba okay fine as fathers you are doing a good job just like the mother so mo sa gompieko ke na hano le re ke bonye modisa gore a re bolo ka go choppy superstore gone ba re tshwaretse eng this coming a Father's Day ke bonye modisa good morning
happy Father's Day sir.
Thank you in advance thank you for one day so, one day I'll be a father of course make it like jaaka ke ba gore ba choppy superstore jaaka ile kgwebo e tona tona mo tsela Botswana e bone ga ba batla go sala jalo ko morago gongwe o re tlhalose gore le ba choppy pele ga nka tshamekela jalo the clip that I have for us this morning gore bo mosola ja gore le ketekela tsa le customer tsa lona ke
tota jaaka o itse borrarona play a pivotal role mo thuseng economy se ya lehatse hela e le ya rona le re le kompone e be re ntla re celebrate le Mother's Day go matshwane di gore gape re ne re celebrate le bone borre gore ba itse gore they are part of our ecosystem as a company
right ke rata jalo gore they are part of the ecosystem in your company mme ke tsa kere ke tebe ke na hano kana kere ka go tshamekela jalo a very short clip e tsang jalo metsunyana e se ka tota gore ke go bontsha gore ga re bua jalo ka Father's Day re jalo ka go choppy superstore re bua ka ga mme ke tare morago mo sona o ithaloganya o e bona le wena e be ke boela hano le re ke bo imisa gone go tlhalosa ka botalo ka tsilong la Father's Day ga mo go le ba choppy superstore.
Fatherhood, such a great concept. We at Choppies Botswana are celebrating Father's Day by profiling 4 fathers who are colleagues at Choppies, detailing what fatherhood means to them. Let's listen to their stories.
Hi, my name is Martinez.
My name is Ram.
My name is Tere.
My name is Calvin.
What advice could you give fathers out there?
What does fatherhood mean to you?
how are you intending on celebrating Father's Day?
The most loving moments of our life are in Father.
Borra, are you just saying?
Well, I think on this day I'll be taking out my son for lunch. What are your best fatherhood moments?
Me personally, I act as father to many, and that gives me a great joy.
Well, I believe that fatherhood has taught me to, instead of chasing success for myself, also build significance for my family.
For my father, I only got the most sweetest moments because he spent the last few years with me in Botswana.
But then I'm urging everyone out there to celebrate this day with their fathers. I think the best moments of being a father is when you can just spend time with your kids.
Always be there for your kids.
Happy Father's Day to all my colleagues, all our customers, and all our stakeholders. Enjoy.
The happiest moments are in their fatherhood. There must be something special about fatherhood. That's why Chopis is saying to you guys, as a father or as someone who's proud of their father and the father figures in your life, this weekend, your fathers are having a memorable one. Talk to us. What does Chopis have for the fathers and the father figures in our lives?
mo kamedi wa rona o mo teng go re ne re batla go bontsha fatherhood in all aspects, from on business owner perspective, from a colleague perspective, re le Chopis go bontsha gore this is the right time, re le banana, re le bagwebi, re le bagolo gore re kopane re ithute re rutane about fatherhood. So with Chopis we have two campaigns. Yo ne o tsang go e bona ya go rotloetsa bo re ba bang gore ba eme ka dinao ba emele bana ba bone ka dinao. Sa bobedi re na le re bitsang re share your moment with your dad, gore o share le rona mitsotso kana nako ni le yone le re rago e monate e be re go lebogela gore o irile yalo.
Just like that
you just have to go to our Chopis Botswana Facebook page o bo bala o tla bona go te share your dad moment, a picture or a video, then you stand a chance to win amazing prizes.
Of course, 3164 7316438 etara mora go nyana ga metsotso gongwe le mene le methano be ke go rakere letsa ka kwano gore ke bongi modisa go jalo just a one or two hampers tsele gore ka gona jalo go itumela le basedi o tota kwa lapeng jaaka ke itse re batla gore go nne jalo ka tsatsi la Sontaga me ke bongi modisa ka bua le yona gape ke gore kere kana re bua ka special re bua jalo ka Chopis gore Chopis is always itumele weekend is always something to do with Mondays as well. Ha re bua jalo ka Father's Day special re botsa go no le re tshwaretse eng
retso ya ka o bona economy ga ya ema sentle re leka go nna re dira di special tse di event based kana tse di ceremonial go dira gore go pieno rena le the Father's Day promotion e tlebeng e rana ke simola go mpieno go itlheleng Sontaga go re batla gore Motswana a ska nna le excuse ya gore nya ga ke a rekela re reka gore ga gona madi re dirile super low prices at all Chopis stores tse ileng go special tse ileng gore sa rana gona nunyana at all Chopis stores wa tsena hela bo rekela re go sengwe o ka mo rekela from the fruit and veg section o ka mo rekela from the non-food section o ka mo rekela gongwe cell phone re na rekisa di cell phone o ka mo tsenyetsa le hele maezaka kana orange money kana BTC smega kere so those are the items that we have on promotion ya ka ke buile gape ga se special hela re na le ba ileng gore those who want to participate on social media o ka share just a moment with your dad. It could be a video, it could be a picture just to share with us, and then we'll give you a very good gift just for sharing that moment with
sharing that moment. And one would wonder gore kana re batla gore ha re ntse re tswela jalo re celebrate this day le batsedi ba rona kana le bo re ba rona tota e be le gore bana jalo go nne le pharologanyo ka re sale bona ka teng. Then one would wonder gore what is making this year's Father's Day special compared to the previous ones for Chopis and the fathers and your customers?
And I think the thing with us is that every year we do an event tsa borre le tsa bomme for Mother's Day and Father's Day. Ngwaga le ngwaga ra lemoga gore the new generation le the old generation
every year go na le father
every year go na le mo that gap in re itse ha re gola kana rona re bana ba di 90s no itse ro ka square papa o I love you
we had a tough love
wa bona no itse la ra o tsena la ping wa kina wa ira but this time around we can see even with the engagement gore borre o khona ba khona go engage le bana. If you have seen the videos on our social media page, for those who haven't seen, they can just go and check out borre ba khona go engage le bana ka lo rato hela le leng gore re tlwetse gore le engage wa gantsi le bomme. So we have realized that, and the reason why re boeletsa di campaigns kana re di campaigns ke gore not just for sales le go rotloetsa to encourage the community gore re tshwantse go ratana bogolo segolo yang borre le bana, because ka Setswana sa rona re gola le go sena gore o ka se ke wa display that love between a father and a child. So these campaigns are part of a way, sort of a way of trying to encourage Botswana kwa lapeng bogolo rona bo majita gore re bontshe di time tsa rona gore time ola itag.
Of course 3164437 3164438 ke tsa ke reng ka gore ke re a re buletse megala mona go nya gompieko go thola gore wena o le Motswana kwa lapeng o ka iphenyetsa eng gore we go spenda jalo tsatsi la Sontaga tota le o martang thata e bon tata gago ke ne batla go thola gore do you have a call on the line? Alright, I santse ipaketse le gone go bamakanya kono khona re bue jalo ka gone gore re bone jalo e le gore ka Mother's Day ne le jalo ka kolobatse ana go borre ba ipotsa gone gore mosa go mpio kana kere ko mo tsela Sontaga ra go bana shopisi ko kae kana yona khanya gore nyatsa mo shopisi la wena khone jalo go akola gore shopisi go tsetsa eng
Sontaga o tle be re le ko Choppies Westgate le be re ha borre di mpho tsa bone a ke re ibile di a gona ditona gona le tsa bomme ka gore re le mogile gore ha go tla letsatsi la borre batho ba nna slow go kana go so we're going to be in Choppies Westgate, where we're going to be giving away hampers, where we're going to be giving away love for our fathers. Baba Botswana bate go rekela borra bone di gifty more
ke ka go bandleng gone ke go utsa jalo gone go buinelo o bata go spenda Father's Day le tata go ka tseleng ja buinelo. Good morning.
Dumela.
Maleteli siameng gone
re teng.
It is Father's Day ka tsela Sontaga o bata gora motsadi wa gago wa re o re mosa gompieko mo buinelo.
Tota hela nna motsadi a me gae mo botshelong le gona le botho ke tshela le ene o ile gore kene ke morangere is my father tota o ntshegeditse ka sengwe le sengwe
emma ke bone modisa go buile buinelo go ngwa ke so batla go mmotsa potso kana ka gore go she's the first call ka bona re o dirang ka ene
buinelo no re ra go buinelo gae mo botshelong a kere ke tsa re gona le bangwe ba eleng gore o ba regard as borre rrago a kere kana la helene motho o tshelang le ena a kere ke na le di hampera ha tse eleng gore da locally made ano ke batla go hangwa tsona utlwe ke batla hela gore o ishe mongwe wa bone borre bao a happy Father's Day.
I would like to say happy Father's Day to my partner wa Rabile Gaonewe. He's my father figure.
Right, and she's saying it with so much sincerity. She even means
you can even feel it.
You can even feel it, yeah. Buinelo, my sister, you've won yourself a Choppies hamper, courtesy of Choppies Superstores. Congratulations. We've lost her, but ke tsa kere mo khone jalo gone go uta gore ka dirang gore tshwareng le rona gape ka kwano mo na go nya go mpiko ke bone modisa motho ka ipotsa gore ha tsana jalo mo mabentleng a lona Choppies Superstores le ha tse ka bophara a solo hele eng jaaka batla gore go a tsena gongwe ene o batla gore a re ke cake gongwe cake mo specialing gongwe ka bana go le gore missing the in the special o ka ithela eng se le gore ka
sa mo special
just like that
from cake to borrolone to mo itshasiwang a gona se more specially. We've went all out in terms of specially for fathers. It's at every Choppies store. Just go to any Choppies store wa go tlhela se mo specially gore khona go rekela re rra.
Right, potso ngwe re kopana le mo ba re botsa ke gore kana go le na le go bula go the Choppies group ra jalo gona makalana ka hata sa galona a leng gore gongwe a dirisa le lona gongwe gona ba thola gore ga ba eletse le gone gore a tsene mo Choppies a re ke jalo mme ba ta gore a le re twetse ka tsela ngwe gore ba o ba ka gona bo le khorama go bo mani global ba thusa ka eng ka
tsela bona makalana o buang ka ona lo ne re biditse special if your dad ke motho a bo single malt ya ka wa go le khorama wa mo petse if your dad ke motho wa building material wa go build a smart wa petse so makalana ote arona re biditse Father's Day promotion. You can just go to any of these makalana and buy yourself a Father's Day gift. Before re tswela nkgone ne ke batla go bua gore kana every Friday ha re ta kwano re ta ka these products are locally made. Rena re batla go rotloetsa gore Batswana ba itse gore these products are locally made. Ga wa go chopisi wa go reka these products, you are supporting a Motswana made in Botswana by Botswana for Botswana products.
Yes. 316-443, 316-4437, 316-4438. Buinelo ka kolobatse, please call us again, my sister. Jaaka re sa kgona jalo go tsa megala ya gago. Ko ene tseleng jalo. Ne re bua jalo ka Rocks Fresh orange squash. Go no gore ke bona jalo go no gore like you say it's locally made and it's truly gore lo ne ya da lutu ya hela jaaka squash stadium.
As you can see, kana re bui hela re batla go bontsha Batswana kwa lapeng. You see, this is a by Botswana product or product of Botswana. So you can just go to any choppy store. This is it's a foam bath regular rago hela gore le ne ra ha tswa tirong a tshema mama mo tshelele a thape akere. It's called softy. So these products are made in Botswana, like I said. You can just go to any choppy store, you'll find them. You can buy your father amongst a range of these products as a gift for Sunday.
Why is it important for Choppy Superstore to find it fit gore most of the products like say
This is a partnership between Choppies and BITC. If you know, BITC has a campaign called Push a BW. So ne rana ha tsara bona gore re le komponi e re le Choppisi ra na mele ha tsaka bophara re ka thusa jang Batswana, re ka thusa jang di komponi tsa Batswana, re ka thusa jang banana ba Batswana ba ile gore the entrepreneurs be re na ha tsere mme re batla gore ne re tsenya locally made products mo shopong tsa rona gore Batswana ba kgone go reka by Botswana for Botswana.
For Botswana. Right. Ke bongi modisa before ke go laela nkgonna gore ga re le jalo yone this campaign ya Father's Day e ke tsang ke re go bana jalo across all the Choppy Superstores countrywide le gone gore Batswana ba ka kola jaaka to ba ipela jalo le batsadi ba bone ba borre.
Wetsho ya ka ke bua yana gona le thabile go sego setloka ba bantsi ba sendile. If you go to our Choppies Botswana Facebook page ha o ka leba yana batho ba sendile Wetsho bana le borra. We love those moments. You know, send us those moments. You are sharing the love you have for your father. So all you need to do is go to Choppies Botswana Facebook page and then share your dad moment. It could be a picture, it could be a video. Botswana. Choppies Botswana. Obo share senepe kana video ya we na le rerago. And rerago ba ke it doesn't mean motho go tsetsi. It could be motho. It could mean your partner, and then you stand a chance to win amazing prizes. You stand a chance to win items from Choppies. You stand a chance to win items from Le Karama. You stand a chance to win items from Laser Boutique. Laser Boutique ke ba tle mbatsa re rago ba go mosidila mo a ke re kana bo thema ba mo raking ba go mosidila ba mankanya ba mo ira mo setlha ka ke le mo setlha.
Right. Buinelo, are you on the line? All right, ke tsa ke re tekele bogelo buinelo jaaka gone go letsa ka kwano gore re mo lebogise jaaka gone go ina he Father's Day hamper courtesy of Choppies. Me ka yone tseleng jalo puisano ya rona ya bobedi ile ona bohelo mosong piko la bothwana e wala hela jalo me tekele bogelo ke bonye modisa ke tsa ke re re tana ntse re le bona gore le re tshwaretse eng jaaka bekentse e tebentse tsa masore le bogela bolenteng jaaka go mosong piko.
Like go lebong khone ke wish our customers a happy Father's Day. Our stakeholders ra le rata borre tsolang hela lo le tlhokomeleng bana. Thank
you very much ke bonye modisa all the way from Choppies. He is the marketing and PR from the PR team of course and ke tsa ke rata bua jana gape mo tsetsi le latelang tota ke mo bekeng ya latelang ka tsetsi la bothwana me ke ga re la Dumela Botswana ko ene tseleng jalo. Before I do that take go thola jalo la gore a to ga re le ene moswaga gore a re bolore la bothwana wa gagwe o tsamile ka tseleng senja. 117 years of celebrating Father's Day. Ke tsa ke re tsotsila sontaga tana tsotsile molemo mo kana ka ke tsotsila sipito ta kana sontaga ga se ke temere ya dimeng tsotsila sipito ta re tana tsotsile molemo mo go wena le borre bothe ba mo tsomba go ba ere ke tsa ke re you consider them your father and also a father figure jaaka ne busana re ke bonyi modisa re ba jalo ka the Choppy Superstore specials that is dedicated to all the good and great fathers out there. Lala,
I am very excited for Father's Day. Now after that conversation, I'm like, what can I really do?
What can you really do once again?
Let's take a moment to
definitely doing something.
Yes, send love.
Yes.
Like the most thing that you can do if you can't really do anything is to just send love to your father. Le bonela tota ba thukisepe kana ba tsa bo re ha ba thukisepela se sentse. O mo rekela flashlight o itumetse.
Yeah, o mo rekela tipelanya le ya mora ke leader something.
Masimong o bona le
light. But I challenge you for next go market dithaere tsa koloi.
No. No. Okay.
Can I go to Choppies? I'll forgive you. I'll forgive you for that.
Okay. Bana ba turatle
That's it from us mo Dumela Botswana. This beautiful edition of a Friday morning. It's like you to me puisano tsotlhe tsena jo go nela go tsola lana buisana jano le ba Kawa June challenge ka to ba re ka go gona ka go khawa ka go mo biking e tang tota kana.
It's on the 25th to the 29th of June. It's going to be very cool, so make sure that you're making sure that your car is roadworthy. And speaking of roadworthy, we want to say thank you to the Botswana Police Services for giving us the traffic update the whole week, as well as Ms. Karabo Bosena for letting us know what this weekend we're really busy. Then I said I am going to watch a football match for the first time. So we're going?
Yeah, we are definitely
All
going.
right, we're going to have a great weekend, and I suspect that you will too. We want to be back here Monday with great stories to tell, nothing but positivity and nothing but love. Not from me, Naledila Latsapo, wishing you a great weekend.
Name maina ke Bernard Benibi wa kamaga so ke rata kopana jalo ko mabalenga ko the National Stadium. The kickoff is 19:30. See you later. Have a fantastic weekend. Tla kopana jalo mona konyeta.